Imagine waking up to realize your life's just a mere shadow of its full glory. What if there's a switch in your mind waiting to light up your world with unexplored dreams? Imagine you're at a crossroads where your usual path crosses a road brimming with potential. That's where I once stood, my life a monotonous routine, yet I dreamt of financial freedom and success. That's when I discovered the mirror principle, a revelation that transformed my life, not just in theory, but in reality. Ready for a change? Let's redefine the possible. Your extraordinary story starts here. Our reality mirrors our inner relationship with ourselves and the world. If you doubt your ability to attain wealth, the world echoes that doubt. But imagine altering what you project onto this life mirror. Our world reflects our inner state. Lost in technology and daily distractions, we forget our inner power. The mirror principle shows us how to mold reality to our deepest desires. It starts with understanding that our mirror is a projection of our self-view. See yourself as inadequate, and the mirror shows just that. It's a powerful realization. Changing reality begins with changing what we send to this mirror. Let's start building your new identity. Picture your life in a decade. Who are you? And what are you achieving? Use affirmations like, I am deserving of abundance, the universe favors me. These are your first steps towards a new reality. Now, let's talk money. My journey from financial struggle to abundance was a transformative experience with the mirror principle. Realizing my negative money beliefs reflected back in life was a game changer. Start by affirming your financial capabilities. I am a magnet for wealth. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly. Believe in these affirmations and watch your financial reality shift. Visualization is key. Picture yourself achieving financial goals, but infuse these visions with emotion. This emotional energy turns your thoughts into magnets for wealth. Manifestation isn't just thinking, it's aligning actions with goals. Take steps towards financial success, improve skills, explore new income sources, manage your finances. Remember, the mirror of reality delays like a planted seed. Your financial transformation won't happen instantly. It needs patience and persistence. Reflecting on my journey, I remember feeling wealth was for others, not me. Applying the mirror principle, I shifted my mindset, affirming, I'm destined for financial success. Wealth flows to me. Initially, it felt like a fantasy, but then opportunities emerged unexpectedly. A promotion, profitable investments, a successful side business. This transformation taught me a crucial lesson. What we firmly believe and act upon, the universe brings to fruition. I didn't just wish for wealth. I believed I deserved it and took concrete steps towards it. This belief, mirrored by my actions, opened doors to prosperity I never imagined possible. Now, let's delve deeper. Think of your subconscious mind as a fertile ground for wealth. Plant it with positive, wealth-affirming beliefs. Create a vision board filled with your financial goals and place it where you see it daily. This visual reminder reinforces your wealth aspirations. Combine this with daily affirmations like, I am worthy of financial abundance. Feel each word. Let the abundance emotion engulf you. Manifestation demands action. Identify income growth opportunities, whether it's a new venture, investment, or personal development. Take at least one small step every day towards these opportunities. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Reflecting on my journey, I had moments of doubt, but consistently applying the mirror principle, celebrating each success, and persistently working towards my goal led to a miraculous financial transformation. Remember, the road to financial abundance is about belief and action. With the mirror principle, you're not just dreaming of wealth, you're creating it. Your new financial reality awaits. It takes courage to believe and act. Delving deeper into the realm of wealth creation, let's explore the synergy of mindset and action. Your subconscious mind, a fertile ground, craves positive affirmations to flourish. It's not enough to merely think about wealth. You must believe in your right to it. Craft a personal mantra, something that resonates deeply with your core. I am an architect of my financial destiny, or abundance flows to me as naturally as the river to the sea. Let these words be the first thought when you rise and the last before you sleep. This constant reinforcement molds your subconscious into a powerhouse of positive energy. Beyond affirmations, immerse yourself in environments that foster prosperity. Surround yourself with people who reflect the success you aspire to. Attend seminars, network with successful individuals, read books by financial gurus. Each interaction is a seed planted in your mind's garden, each piece of knowledge a tool to cultivate your financial growth. But the journey doesn't stop at mindset. It's crucial to turn these thoughts and beliefs into concrete actions. Assess your current financial situation with brutal honesty. Where are the leaks? What are the strengths? Develop a clear, actionable plan. Maybe it's investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Each step, no matter how small, is a stride towards your financial utopia. In this journey, remember that setbacks are not failures, they are learning opportunities. Each challenge is a lesson in resilience and adaptability. When faced with a setback, ask yourself, what can this teach me? Use these lessons to refine your strategy and fortify your resolve. Visualization is another powerful tool. Visualize not just the end goal, but also the steps to get there. Imagine yourself negotiating a business deal, presenting a project, or checking your growing bank balance. Feel the success, the pride, and the satisfaction. This visualization is not mere daydreaming, it's programming your mind to recognize and seize opportunities as they arise. Remember, the mirror principle in wealth creation is not just about amassing riches, it's about cultivating a life of abundance in every sense. Your financial success story is waiting to be written, with you as the protagonist. Start today. Take that bold step and watch as your world transforms in the reflection of your actions and beliefs. Let's emphasize the power of community in our pursuit of wealth. It's often said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose your circle wisely. Engage with those who inspire you, who challenge you to rise higher. Join groups and forums where financial literacy is a priority. Share your goals and listen to others. Sometimes a different perspective can open doors to opportunities you never considered. Technology also plays a pivotal role in today's wealth creation. Embrace the digital world. Use it to your advantage. There are apps for budgeting, platforms for investing, and endless resources for learning. Educate yourself about cryptocurrency, stocks, and real estate. The digital age has democratized access to investment opportunities that were once the preserve of the elite. Leverage this accessibility to diversify your portfolio and spread your risk. Yet, in this digital age, remember to balance technology with personal touch. Build relationships, not just contacts. In a world where emails and messages are the norms, a phone call or a face-to-face meeting can make a lasting impression. These personal connections can be the catalyst for your financial breakthroughs. Now, let's talk about the long-term vision. Wealth creation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires foresight and planning. Set long-term goals, but break them down into manageable, short-term objectives. This approach keeps you motivated and provides a clear roadmap to your financial destination. Incorporate sustainability into your financial planning. Consider investments that not only grow your wealth but also contribute positively to society and the environment. Sustainable investing is not just a trend, it's a forward-thinking approach to ensure that your wealth grows in alignment with your values and the well-being of the planet. As you progress on this journey, remember to document your milestones. Keep a journal or a blog. Documenting your journey serves 2 purposes. It helps you track your progress, and it can inspire others. Your story could be the catalyst for someone else's financial awakening. In conclusion, remember that the mirror principle in wealth creation is a holistic approach. It's about aligning your mindset, actions, and values towards a life of abundance. Your journey is unique, and your story is powerful. Embrace each day as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to move closer to your financial aspirations. Wealth is not just about the balance in your bank account. It's about the richness of your life's journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.